Mike and Suzie Nolan, and we are building the Stonebrook H.
I would say from beginning to end, we've had a good experience, from going to the model home to the tour of the model homes to working with our sales rep, working with the design studio group, lighting.
In our opinion, what sets Shaw Homes apart from everybody else would be the customer service that they've provided. They've made this a very easy process. You hear how stressful it is, and it really hasn't been that bad. It's been a good experience.
I think we would highly recommend Shaw Homes to friends and family, or anybody that asks us about Shaw Homes. I think we would highly recommend.
I would agree with that. It was highly recommended to us by our father-in-law, and I think that we would do the same. I think that we would highly recommend Shaw Homes.